Hello everyone, welcome to our AP Chem tutorial on solving a stoichiometric equation using a BCA table. So let's go through a problem. What masses of iron 3 oxide and aluminum must be used to produce 15.0 grams of iron? What is the maximum mass of aluminum oxide that can be produced? Okay, to start us off, we have to check if our equation is balanced. So we have 2 irons here, 2 over here, 3 oxygens here, 2 aluminums here and here. Okay, so we can proceed with our BCA table. Notice how we have 15.0 grams of iron, but we can't put grams into our BCA table, so we have to convert that to moles. So let's do that. 15. And notice up here, I made a little cheat sheet for all our molar masses, so it can be easier for us to proceed. 55.85 grams per 1 mole iron. And that will give us 26.9 moles of iron. Okay, we can plug that into our BCA table, but notice how iron is a product and not a reactant. So we have to put that down here. So 26.9. And then we know that products start off having 0 moles here, and we don't know anything else as of now. So let's pretend that the coefficient of 1 for moles in moles is x, and since this has a coefficient of 2, this is 2x. We know that we have to subtract by those amounts since we're not given limiting or excess. So we have 0 here and 0 here. Now we have to add plus 2x, since our coefficient is 2, and then we have to add plus 1x, because our coefficient is 1. So notice how we have 2x here and 26.9 here. So we can set those equal to each other, and that gives us x equals 13.45. Ignoring sig figs for now, because we're still in the middle of our work. Okay, so that's what x equals to. And we now know that these, one second. I'll write it once for both of them. So both of these are 13.45 and both of these are 26.9 moles. Okay, since we have the mole amount for aluminum oxide, we can convert that to grams. So 13.45 moles, moles aluminum oxide over 1 mole aluminum oxide equals 101.96 grams per mole. Okay, so that gives us a total of 1,371 grams of aluminum oxide. Okay, so we have one part of our question done. Okay, now let's find how much iron oxide and how much aluminum must be used to produce that amount of iron. Okay, so we already have our x's and 2x given, so we already found the mole amount for both iron oxide and aluminum, which is just what we need. So let's convert this into grams. 13.45 moles iron oxide. That's 1 mole iron oxide. And that has a molar mass of 159.75 grams per mole. Okay, that cancels out, and we get 21.5 grams of iron oxide. Okay, we're almost done with our problem. So now we just have to find the amount in grams of aluminum that needs to produce 26.9 moles of iron. Okay, so we have 26.9 moles aluminum, and then we have a molar mass of 26.98 grams aluminum per 1 mole aluminum. Sorry about my handwriting again. Okay, let's see how much that is. That is 7.26 grams of aluminum. Okay, let's check all our sig figs now. Okay, we have 3 sig figs here, which is good. All right, 3 here. Let's make that 1,370. And then we have 3 here, that's good.